All right, those stumps come out pretty good right there. We got to get these 4 little bushes out right here. Got one dead right there. I think them little old soft touch hollies, I believe. That's what that is. Almost look like a Helleri holly, but it's got a smaller leaf on it. Those come out real good. I'll get them chunks up. We're gonna bring that little excavator over here and tidy up this little spot right here and dig them little plants out right there. We'll do that last thing. We'll get ready to leave. We'll load back up over here on this side. What I'm gonna do, I loaded the grinder back up. We've got one more river birch over there on that other side that I didn't even attempt to dig it up. I think Wes mentioned in that other clip over a while ago that river birches around here are just very aggressive. I mean, they are very aggressive. Got a aggressive root system on them, and it is hard to dig them things up. River birch, gum trees. Let's see what else. Crepe myrtles. Crepe myrtles are very aggressive tree to dig out. They're not real bad because the roots is kind of soft on them. The roots will break. You can get down under them and they'll pluck right out. But river birch, gum trees, ash trees, real hard to get out. We're gonna pull over here and get this thing unloaded over here on this other side. We'll get on with the getting on. See if I can find my key here to the truck. I'm gonna cut you off right quick. Wrap this little project up right here. We're trying to get on the trailer right there. They got about a half a load of timbers on there we had to get rid of, and we couldn't take it to the stump dump there. They don't allow that treated lumber in the landfill like that. But if you like this video, hit them buttons for us there if you will. We sure do appreciate you guys tuning in. And if you fumbling around over on TikTok, pull us up on TikTok. We got a few little old videos up on it this week and trying it out. But we catch you on the next one.